this week's video we will be doing whipped coffee, or what is it called? Dalgona? Okay, whipped coffee. Anyways, so for this video you will be needing coffee and granulated sugar and boiling water, which I have back here. So to get this started, you need equal parts of coffee and sugar. In my case, I did 1/4 cup of coffee and 1/4 cup of sugar, as well as 1/4 cup of water. Now you can also mix by hand, but it does take about 20 minutes to get that consistency. As if you were to use a machine, it takes about 2 minutes. Now that we got the consistency that we wanted, we are ready to go ahead and pour a cup of milk. So now that we have our whipped coffee, we will just pour that on top of the milk. And just letting you guys know, it is a little bit too concentrated, so it does taste a lot like coffee, but with the milk it'll balance out. Guys, that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button for more videos. So yeah, bye.